Hey guys, this is CoBuystedt over at BISH'S RV. I'm here to show you the 398 MBL Brookstone. It's made by Coachmen. This is probably the perfect middle bunk floor plan model. In my opinion, it's probably the perfect rig for that sort of layout. Here's your, I don't know why I'm drawing a blank, your through bay. I love it. There's no like hump up right here with tanks under or anything like that. It's very thin, lots of space. Throw the kids in there. Here's your fridge right here. Mini fridge, good for drinks. You got a little sink right here. There's no grill or anything like that on this one, but it's nice that they gave you a bay at all, being that the inside is so loaded and packed with stuff. There is a LP quick connect below, so you can hook up your own freestanding grill if you wanted to. We got the solid steps on this rig. This rig is stocked with Azdale. It's gonna help with the whole 4 seasons goal, right? So what this product is, Azdale, is you got your fiberglass, then you got your usually wood behind there to make it strong. But they didn't put wood behind there on this one, they put Azdale. And what it is it's a composite panel. And it's the composite panel is impervious to rot, decay, mold, mildew, and delamination. So this will never rot out in your walls, which happens with wood. Somewhere around the 11-year mark, if poorly taken care of. So right when you get in, it's a rear living model, very classic floor plan. You got your table and chairs right here. You got your 2 seats right here. These are just recliners. They do have heat, lights in the cup holders and below, and then massage, which is really cool. They're very comfortable. Those are the Thomas Paines. And then you have your hide-a-bed couch. Here's your TV and your whole fireplace. Got your controller right here for your sound and all of that stuff. And you got storage above, so that's nice. That completes the living room portion. Over here you got your kitchen. So you got this island, solid surface countertops. The sink is the one big one that we've ordered on this one, not the split. You got your cooktop. It's a 3-burner, pretty standard. You got a window right here, I like that. You got your oven right here, a little bit of storage below. Actually, that's a lot of storage below. And then, of course, all your cabinetry right here in the island. Nice to have. You can see this oversized microwave. There's cardboard in there because it's still basically in the wrapper. We just got this one in. Very excited to do the video on it. You got storage everywhere, even around the microwave. Here's your fridge. This is a both gas and electric fridge. Nice you have 2 doors. It gives you all the space. It comes with ice cube trays. Why does it come with ice cube trays? And 4 of them. You must really need those. And then you got, all the cabinetry right here. So this is what I meant by middle bunk model. I like the location of the door. Sometimes they put the door right here, and it's the first thing you see when you come in is like that door to get into the bunk. I think I like the door coming right here because it lets you Tetris this room out a little better. Being that you can put a whole TV right here with no door in the way. You got your cabinets right here. You get this little bit of some dresser stuff and the closet. So this is a perfect room for like a teenager who wants a little bit more space. There is 1 more bed, well, 3 more beds in this thing that you can house. So it's great for families. This is a bed, it pulls out, stops right about here. This is a bed, it comes down, and you have a window behind. I'll just show you, where am I? It comes down like that. So these both can be in bed mode. This comes up so you're not hitting your head while you're in the couch. That couch, of course, right there, that's a bed. Right there. So there's 3 beds so far. If we head upstairs, here's a little closet. I love that. A little place to put your coats when you're getting inside. But anyways, there's your 4th bed. Perfect for kids. The ladder is very safe. It's not as vertical as it looks. You actually take this out to get that sort of slant, so they can get up in there a little safer and easier. I love that thing. Control panel lives right here. One touch control system. You can adjust things like auto leveling off of this. Some lights you can adjust sometimes. It depends on what brand you're on. They put lights or slide out controls in those one touch controls sometimes. I'm not sure what this one did, but it's definitely auto leveling is in there. Here's your bathroom. You got your really large shower. If you've ever had a camper or a trailer or anything like that, usually the shower is the most difficult thing to like get behind. That's not one of them. Lots of space around the toilet too. Leg room, arm room. You can actually use it. I've noticed RVs are prioritizing the bathroom a little bit more because everybody complained and was like, I can't use this. This little secret storage right here on the top of your dresser. You also get these very deep drawers in your dressers too. So that's awesome. King-sized bed. This bed is in a slide out. You have 2 ACs on this rig, by the way. This is more closet space, but if you take out that drawer, this can be entirely for your washer and dryer. The stackable kind. Which is awesome. I do that stuff here, so if you want that installed, we do that kind of thing. And then here's your closet. Closet with mirrors. Opens on both sides, so you can get access. You have cup holders right here, which I love. I would have a cup there every night. And then you got storage below. So that's the bedroom. I love the king size bed. Very useful. I love the color palette in these two. They did, of course, use dark wood, but this in no way feels like a dark rig. The reason being they have constant oversized windows panning all the way from the TV to the doorway. So it lets all the light in. And then the walls are basically white, almost. They're like a really light gray. Your countertops are all white. It gives you that really big contrast. And so it does, and then with all the lighting on a Brookstone, which is a Coachmen product, they have like 50% more like actual lights in the ceiling than their competitors usually do. So this thing lights up, as you can see, because we have power to it right now. So it doesn't feel like that dark rig, being that it's darker wood. So I think they did a very good job at making it inviting in here. So if you have any more questions about this rig at all, you can just reach out to me. My name is CoBuystedt. My phone number is 541-735-1535. And I can answer any questions you may have. Thank you.